Hello, dancers. We are going to learn Maria Merengue. You're going to love it. It's really cute. I like it. I'm sure you will too. We're going to start with a merengue walk as we walk 8 steps to your right. As a sound, it's a step to the side, but we're going to use our hips as it's a merengue or Latin rhythm. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. As we go to the left, we're going to do a weave. A weave should be as we cross the right forward first, open, then the right goes back, open, right goes forward, open, and right goes back, right? So this is your weave. As we go on to the left with the weave, you're going to do 7 counts. On 8, your left foot is turning quarter turn to the left. So let's see that weave count. All right, 5, 6, 7 weaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8 turns over there. Now, the next step, which you're on this one now, I'm going to show you over here so you can see it. We call it a triple step or a 3-step merengue. So because you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you want to go into that merengue sway, but again, it's open, recover, step, open, recover, step, open, step. That's how you want to get when you're on this wall. So let's do it again together. Ready? And right step, step, left step, step, right step. You finish end with your left foot, body weight in there. And here comes the finish. Your right foot is ready to rock forward. Body weight comes back into the left. So rock, recover. We're going to do a 360 turn as we do 2 triple steps. We're going to do triple step turn, triple step turn. That means your right foot is going to go first. So that's rock, recover to the right, triple step. That's 2 right foot. Now we're going to continue now bringing the left, triple step as we continue turning. And we're going to finish that turn with a rock, recover. Right goes back, recovers on left. I'm going to show you that one again. That is rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover. And as we are here, we start to dance all over again. Walking to the right. Yay. Okay, let's do it all over again together. All together. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, merengue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover. 2, turn 3 and 4. Turn 5 and 6, 7, 8. You did it. Let's do this wall. So let's do it together. Starting walking to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and weave. Go forward, back, turn left, and open step, step, open step, step, open step. Rock forward, recover to the right. 2, 3, again 2, 3, and rock, recover. Excellent. Good job. Well, you know how it works. Put the video a few more times, count it, and when you feel you're ready, then you put the video and you dance with me. Yes? Okay, well, see you soon.